If you're seeing Epic Games error code 25033, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the Epic Games launcher installed properly on Windows. This error usually shows up when Windows has a permission problem, the installer can't access temporary files, or the Windows installer service needs to be refreshed. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without doing anything advanced. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, locate the Epic Games Launcher installer file, which is usually the .msi file, and right-click it. From the menu, choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to complete properly, and in many cases, that alone can solve the error. If the installation still fails, the next thing to do is restart Windows Explorer. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click it and select Restart. This refreshes the Windows shell and can clear out glitches that interfere with the installer. After that, we need to check the temp folder permissions because error 2503 often happens when Windows can't write to temporary files. Press Win and R on your keyboard, type %temp% and press Enter. You'll open the temporary files folder. Now go up one folder level until you see the temp folder itself. Right-click the temp folder and open Properties. Go to the Security tab, then click Edit. Find your user account in the list and make sure full control is allowed. If it isn't, enable it and apply the changes. This step is important because the installer needs permission to create and modify files while it runs. Next, we'll reset Windows Installer. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do this, type Command Prompt in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type msiexec/unreg and press Enter. Then type msiexec/regserver and press Enter. This unregisters and re-registers the Windows Installer service, which can fix broken installer behavior and clear the 2503 error. After that, check for pending Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and make sure your system is fully updated. Outdated Windows components can sometimes cause installation issues, so it's always worth checking. If you're still getting the error, temporarily disable your antivirus or real-time protection. Sometimes security software blocks the installer from writing to temporary directories, which can trigger the 2503 message. Once the installation is finished, you can turn your protection back on right away. Now try running the Epic Games Launcher installer again. In most cases, one of these fixes will get it working. If the first method didn't solve it, move through the list in order because each step addresses a different possible cause. And if this video helped you fix Epic Games error code 2503, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.